Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session we would learn how to solve the practice problem middle of 3. So basically first we would understand the question and then we would solve it. So like it is mentioned in the question, middle of 3 there would be 3 variables. For example, 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Okay, so basically we would have 3 variables A, B and C. Okay, for example A is 517, B is 729 and this is 922. Okay, we have 3 variables and we need to print the middle value. Now basically the middle value is the value which is greater than A and smaller than C. Okay, so basically we can clearly see that B is greater than A but B is smaller than C. So basically the middle value among these 3 would be 7 to 9. Okay, so this is our question. We need to print the middle value among the 3 given values. Okay, so I hope the question is clear to you, and for solving this we would apply a formula. First formula is that you need to calculate the maximum value. Okay, second is you need to calculate the minimum value. Okay, now third is you need to add A plus B plus C. Okay, then what you need to do is you need to apply this formula, and that formula is A plus B plus C minus max plus min. Okay, when you apply this formula you can directly print out the middle value. I hope the steps are clear to you. Now let's solve the question. What you need to do is you need to go to the practice portal. In practice portal, in the difficulty section, you need to choose basic. After choosing basic, you need to find the problem middle of 3. Once you find the problem, you need to click on solve. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now let's solve the question. Okay, here is the question. Let's read it. Given 3 distinct numbers A, B and C, find the number with value in middle. Try to do it with minimum comparisons. So we would be just following the steps that I mentioned. Okay. So let's solve the question. 1 minute. First, let's find minimum. So let's write min equal to minimum, that is a built-in function, A, comma B, comma C. Enter. Now max. Okay. So MA equal to max of what? A, comma B, comma C. Okay. Then I would just return with what? Return with A plus B plus C minus circular brackets me plus max, that is min plus max. Okay, so I just applied the formula that we discussed. Now I would click on compile and run to check if it is correct or not. So let's wait. Compilation is completed. Basically my output is matching with the expected output, so now I would submit the given problem. Okay, so let's wait. Let's see. Problem is solved successfully, and this is how you solve the practice problem middle of 3. I hope this video was helpful for you and you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have enjoyed the video, make sure you click on the like button, and thank you for joining me today. Thank you.